Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to edit TikTok videos. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your TikTok, then after at the bottom you can see a plus icon. Tap on it and there you can see create post of 40, 60. What you can do is tap on the desired sound that you want. Tap on it and tap on the tick icon, then your sound has been added. Now what you can do is tap on photos or text. You can see recording, but here you have the option of filter. I'll go to my gallery and add some of my products, then tap on next, then after there you go, a video has been created. Now how you can edit those by here you can see the sound. You can increase or decrease the volume of the sound. From here you can add your voiceover, you can add a text, you can add GIF. Over here at the top you can see alphabets. Here you can add your caption like this. You can add stickers, you can crop the video as well, crop the picture as well according to your desire, and you can even use filters like these. Then tap on apply like this, go back to your account, then tap on next. Like this you have edited your video. Now if you want to post it, tap on post, otherwise tap on draft. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.